You know, as we reflect on this, I know this will be embarrassing to one person. This whole effort is a brainchild, continues to be the brainchild of Bob Laverty. So, you know, when you talk about bringing community groups together, when you talk about community leadership, first of all, you have to have that vision, that idea of what the future should look like. And Laverty had it. He had it as a community planning, voluntary organization. And the second part of leadership is once you have the vision about what the future should be, you have to align the community assets. And I mean, primarily here, people. It's been a little bit about money, but primarily people. And what Bob did was he went out and he got the sponsorship of the two health organizations. And you've seen what that's meant to this. He went out and talked to 25, 30 folks about that vision and asked them to buy into that vision. And the third part about it is the inspiration. It's about the vision, it's about aligning the community assets, but it's about inspiring people to make it happen. And just check out the room today and the work that you've all done. So Bob just didn't set it up, but he continues to provide that inspiration and leadership. Now we all know he's a very humble guy, and I'm sure, as I said, this embarrasses him somewhat, but we felt his incredible idea and his energy could not go unrecognized by the Washtenaw Health Initiative. So it's with great pleasure that Norman and I, on behalf of all of you, present Bob the Washtenaw Health Initiative's Bright Idea Award.
Is embarrassing, and it must be I'm retiring. Well, all the credit really goes to you folks and others who aren't here, because this is a community-wide effort, and it really is inspiring. For example, today, to hear all the various reports here, mention that we're really ahead of the wave here in getting ready for the Affordable Care Act. But more importantly, regardless, as Norman said, regardless of whether the Affordable Care Act was implemented, regardless of what happens in Lansing, we all know that we have an opportunity to do a better and better job in taking care of people in this community. And you've really demonstrated that. I mean, many of the efforts that you're engaged in will improve the lives of people regardless of what happens in the political environment in our state or here locally. So really, it's great to have an idea, but it's the people that implement the idea, and so I applaud